Traders, good afternoon, October 2nd, 2018. It's after the market close. What I'm going to do is provide a trading report update on NNSR, also known as Green Zebra. What happened this week, well, today, yesterday, Friday, pretty much confirmed support at roughly 2 cents. So this was Friday right here, right? And what happened was it was just battling at the end of the day, closed up. And if you guys remember my previous trading tutorial on NNSR, I stated there was a top over here, and 3.5 cents was being held by sellers. People were smacking 3 cents, other sellers. And once 3 cents broke, it was just, it seems like stop orders got filled at lower prices. And then there was just buybacks and was trading in this range. In the previous tutorial, I stated look for resistance around 2 cents. That's what it did. I said it could trail down to 0.017, 0.0175. It's a possibility, but not likely. But 2 cents looked like the mark, and that's what happened. It tested twice. It tested on September 26th, and it tested again on September 28th, right? What happened after that, coming into today, she shot up. Now, I just put these patterns right here. Pay attention to this downward pattern right here, okay? And pay attention to this upward pattern right here. So you see this triangle range it's being played in, right? We got a nice reversal, it looks like, come in play. We got nice solid support at these levels, right? Higher low compared to the previous lows right here. This is the all-time resistance we have that was just created on September 25th. So it's in my opinion, it's a weak resistance. It's a short-term dip before a rip from the looks of it. What we want to do is coming in tomorrow, NNSR, we want her to break above this downtrend. We want her to close above it as well. We don't want to trade above it, and then at the end of the day, sellers come in and push her underneath this downward trend right here. Looks like we have a nice reversal. It might actually take another day or two to play out, where she can probably test 2 one more time. Maybe not 2 necessarily. Could be like 2.5, somewhere around the 2 ranges. I would say, anywhere from here, 2.2 to maybe 2.5. One more time throughout the trading day tomorrow, and then she can start trading up, or she can start trading up as soon as tomorrow if she breaks through. We're looking for this uptrend, this downtrend to be broken, and we want her to close above that for the trading day. This downtrend, we want her to stay above this. This uptrend, we want her to stay above this uptrend right here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some support levels because it's just too much information right now. It's just getting me dizzy. And this is what we're looking at, and this is the clear picture of how, if you're in this position, of what you're looking on the technical pattern. Remember, news is constantly coming out from Green Zebra, a lot of positive momentum moving forward. We only have this resistance of 0.035 in our way. Weak resistance. I expect a dip and rip. Higher move coming. Could be today. Not today. The market's closed. Could be tomorrow. As soon as tomorrow. But could take, I want to say, maybe, if not this week, next week, the latest. But it looks like the trend is in our favor, and she's going to start heading higher. If not tomorrow, in my honest opinion, it will happen before the end of the week or Monday of next week. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.